In the Energy Management service, you can simultaneously save multiple actions or comments to the platform using the Import Actions function available on the Comments and Actions tab. This can be done for one or multiple facilities at once. To start the process, press the Import button in the top right corner. Arrange the data to be saved first in an Excel table with one action per row. The columns must be the same as in the import table. You can download the template containing column headers by pressing the Download Sample Excel button. The actions and comments to be transferred are filled in on the first tab of the template. The data is allocated to facilities using on the service's facility IDs. If needed, the IDs can be downloaded by pressing the Show Facility Identification Information in the Import dialog. The mandatory fields required for saving actions and comments are the same as when saving them individually, and these are marked with an asterisk in the User Guide section Import Actions. The following fields must be defined with specific identifiers: type, execution phase, main category, group, and class. The identifiers to be used can be found in the Import Actions section of the User Guide. Once the necessary information has been filled in the Excel sheet, select the entire table and copy it to the import area using the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V commands. Save the data by pressing the Save Actions button.